This tutorial will demonstrate how to check in textbooks. After you've connected your scanner to your computer's USB port and opened up an internet browser, you're ready to go into the library page. So scroll down to Library. Open up Library Catalog and Resources on the right side. Ignore this login and go to High Schools, Helena High School. Now we're ready to log in. You will log in with your regular login that you use to log into the computer. Your password used to be staff. It is no longer staff. It's your regular login for the district. Make sure you're in the textbook view. Textbook view will show right here as opposed to library view. You're in textbook view. Open up your circulation tab. Open up your check-in text tab, and you're ready to check in books. Make sure that the student is standing in front of you when you check out the book to make sure that the book matches the student. So I'm going to scan the first book. It was checked out to Sally Melcher. She's standing in front of me, and so we've got the right person. There's one more thing I want to do. I want to assess the condition of the book. It says poor, but it's not poor, it's good. So the book is in good condition. It might have a little bit of damage, so I want to create a fine. The reason is that it has a little bit of water damage, I've noticed. So I'm going to go down to water damage. As you can see, you can also pick an other. There are several different categories here, but I'm going to pick water damage. And I don't think it's quite $20 worth. I think it's about $10. I'm going to change that. And then, very important, I'm going to save this. Now I'm finished with that book. There's another very important thing you want to look for when you check in books. I'm going to scan this book. And I get a big red box that's telling me that this book had been marked as lost. If it's been marked as lost, that means that it's been that student's name is in PowerSchool as having a fine for that book. We want to make sure that fine gets removed, so you must notify the bookkeeper that that book is no longer missing, that it's been found, and that fine can be removed from that student's records. So after you've checked in all your students' books, you're finished. There is one big difference now. You don't have to check out books to yourself anymore unless you're actually using that book. We've replaced this with an inventory process, so don't worry about checking out books to yourself anymore unless you're using the book.